I've got some wow hair to show y'all today. Okay, so Wig Studio One sent me this gorgeous Belle Tress Witherspoon in Truffle Cream R, which is $8.25 plus 4 to review for their channel, and I'm also going to review it for my channel. So beautiful, beautiful style. Really quickly, I just want to remind you that Wig Studio One also has a private Facebook group. It's a great group, very large. There's so much information and great wig education in it. It's called the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group, and I invite you to come over and join. So let's take a look at the gorgeous Witherspoon. So very long, very pretty, wavy. Like I said, it's just wowzer hair. It is absolutely gorgeous. So, so pretty. So this is from the Icons collection. So we have the Icon cap that gives you the ear to ear, lace front. And then the top is what they call a double mono top. I consider the knots to be hand-tied knots versus what we're used to when we hear monofilament. So their knots are just a little bit larger on the top. This is monofilament lace in the front, and then the knots are just slightly larger on the top. So, but they're still great. It doesn't keep me from liking this wig line or anything like that. So, and then we have the, the really thin ear tabs. So this cap is fitting, the Icon cap fits my petite measurements really nicely. I don't feel like I need to wear a wig grip or anything like that. I always tape down my lace front because that's just a thing I do. But so ear to ear, I'm 11 and it's fitting me nicely. There's always a little extra room from forehead to nape where I am 13 inches, and the cap has a lot of stretch. So I love that these caps are so stretchy, but I don't feel like with my 21-inch circumference, like I need to bring the adjusters in. So, you can just compare that to your measurement. I think it would definitely fit average and average plus, but I don't know for larger like 23 inch, I'm not sure whether these caps fit or not. If you know if it fits you and you're 23 inches, let us know in the comments because that's very, very helpful. So let's look at the measurements. So the measurements are, the bang is 3 to 4 inches, they say. Seems more like 4 to 5 to me. And then they give a 5 to 21.5 inch measurement for the sides. And that's why I'm saying this bang measurement seems the same as this 5-inch side measurement. And then we go all the way down to 21.5. And then the nape, they say, this is kind of weird, 9.5 to 12.5. I just say it's 12. It looks to be about 12.5 to me. So I don't know what the 9.5 is. The overall is 17 to 21.5 inches with all the measurements. The weight on it is 5.9 ounces. So here's the cap. Now this is why I'm saying you can kind of see when I put my finger up to these knots that they're a little larger here than they are when I do that on the lace front. So that's what I'm saying. And usually when you see a hand-tied top, you see this mesh layer. So that's another indicator to me. So anyway, so hand-tied top, ear to ear monofilament lace, front. There are like soft plastic ear tabs and then the metal stays inside of those. The cap is hand-tied and it's wefted at the back. And it's, like I said, super stretchy. I love how stretchy this cap is because sometimes hand-tied caps only have like a little stretchy section. They don't make the whole cap stretchy, but this is nice because that helps to accommodate a lot of head sizes. Or if you have hair underneath the wig, there's more room for your hair under there. So, okay, extended nape, Velcro adjusters, heat-friendly fibers. Take a look at this gorgeous color. So this is the Truffle Cream R. The number code for this one is an 825 plus 4. So that plus 4 is the root color. They say that this is a rich, medium brown base. I beg to differ with that. I think it's more of a dark brown in my opinion, blended with creamy light blonde highlights and darker roots. I don't really feel like the rooting is that obvious. Maybe when I do the editing, it'll stick out to me a little more. It just feels like really more like the 4 is going all throughout. So, but they are giving it an 8 going through there as well. So we never know when they say 825, is that a blend? It's obviously there is a blonde highlight. I do think this color runs pretty neutral. It doesn't really have a lot of warmth. So neutral leaning cool, I would say. You can see that blonde. You can see how it has a tiny bit of warmth, but not, it's really more in the neutral range. Color in window light. It's starting to rain. But good light for color. Reminder with long heat-friendly fibers is you want to be combing through them frequently throughout the day because they do tend to clump, you know, with as they rub against, you know, your clothing and things like that. So I just try to make sure I have my wide tooth comb handy so that I can just comb through, try to keep those clumps out as much as possible. So she is low density, by the way, no permatease anywhere. So I like to tuck it behind the ears, especially with with a wig like this that has so much hair, just so you can see how the glasses are going to go on. They go on really, really easily with these thin ear tabs on these Icons caps. So I really, really like that. You can put them up on your head, no problem, just like you would with natural hair. So one way to style this wig would be a headband. I feel like I pulled it back a little. And I think this bang is probably going to be best if it's out. And sometimes with really long synthetic wigs, I will put like a scrunchie back here with a headband, you know, just to get the hair under control, especially if I'm going to be outside or something, because I'm just so worried about it blowing around too much and getting too tangled, you know. But you can do all the things with this one. I mean, it's got the length, so you can pull the sides back. You just always want to make sure with your ear tabs that they are not flipping up. So, but you can wear it half up, half down. Beautiful ponytail. So pretty. Just really, really gorgeous. And then of course, braiding and updos and all, you know, there's all sorts of things that you can do with this amount of hair with a beautiful wig like this. So really, really pretty. I want to thank Wig Studio One for providing this wig to review for you all. There will be, you know, purchase information down in the description box, and I'll put a link to join the private Facebook group for Wig Studio One as well. So I thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and until next time, don't forget, you're absolutely beautiful. Bye-bye.